Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about enzymes. Enzymes are biocatalysts and are specialized proteins produced by living cells that catalyze biological reactions. These are colloidal, thermolabile, water-soluble and specialized proteins except ribozymes and specific in their nature. Coming to the classification of enzymes, enzymes are classified by International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology or IUBMB. As per this classification, each enzyme has a code number which is known as enzyme commission number or EC number. This enzyme commission number has 4 digits which are separated by full stop. For example, hexokinase, which is an enzyme in glycolysis, and it has 4 digits 2, 7, 1, 1. Here the first digit, that is 2, represents class, second digit represents subclass, third digit represents sub-subclass, and the fourth digit, that is 1, represents individual enzyme. That is the first enzyme. According to IUBMB, enzymes are classified into 7 major classes, that is from EC1 to EC7. So EC1 is oxidoreductases, EC2 is transferases, EC3 hydrolases, EC4 lyases, EC5 isomerases, EC6 is ligases and EC7 is translocases. So first one is EC1, that is oxidoreductases. This enzyme catalyzes oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation means removal of hydrogen or removal of electrons. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or addition of electrons. Example of oxidoreductase is alcohol dehydrogenase with enzyme commission number 1111. This enzyme catalyzes, here the hydrogen is transferred from alcohol to NAD plus to form NADH plus H plus, and there will be formation of aldehyde. This oxidoreductases can be classified into dehydrogenases, oxidases, hydroperoxidases and oxygenases. Dehydrogenases may be aerobic or anaerobic. Aerobic, for example, xanthine oxidase. Anaerobic, for example, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Oxidases, example is cytochrome oxidase. Hydroperoxidases, example is catalase and peroxidase. Oxygenases are of two types, monooxygenase and dioxygenase. Monooxygenase, for example, phenylalanine hydroxylase. Dioxygenase, for example, homogentisate oxidase. Second class of enzyme is transferases. This enzyme catalyzes the transfer of group other than hydrogen from one substrate to another substrate. For example, hexokinase. Here, phosphate from ATP is transferred to hexose and form hexose phosphate and ADP, and it is catalyzed by the enzyme hexokinase. Another examples of transferases are ALT, AST, transketolases, transaldolases, transmethylases, etc. Third classification is hydrolases. This enzyme catalyzes the hydrolysis of bone by the addition of water. All digestive enzymes are hydrolases. For example, peptidases, lipases, esterases, amylases, etc. Another example is alkaline phosphatase with the enzyme commission number 3131. Here 3 represents hydrolases, 1 represents it acts on ester linkage, 3 represents phosphoric monoester hydrolase and 1 represents it is ALP. Fourth classification is lyases, which break bonds by mechanism other than hydrolysis, that is without addition of water, leaving behind double bonds. For example, aldolase, which catalyzes the conversion of fructose 1,6-bis phosphate to dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Aldolase with EC number 41213. 4 means it is lyases, 1 means it acts on CC bonds, 2 means it is aldehyde lyase and 13 it is aldolase. Fifth class is isomerases. These catalyze structural or geometric change in a molecule. Depending on the type of isomerism, they are also called as epimerases, mutases or racemases. For example, triose phosphate isomerase which catalyzes the conversion of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This enzyme triose phosphate isomerase has enzyme combination number 5311. 5 means it is an isomerase, 3 means intramolecular oxidoreductase, 1 means conversion of aldose ketose, then 1 means triose phosphate isomerase. Sixth class is ligases which catalyzes the joining of two molecules with the utilization of ATP. For example, DNA ligase, acetyl-CoA carboxylase, etc. Seventh classification is translocases which is responsible for transport of ions across the membranes. Some of them utilizes ATP for translocation. For example, ATPase, ornithine translocase, etc. So this is about the definition and classification of enzyme. This is today's topic. Thank you for watching.